All right. I knew these were going to be pretty lame when I bought them. I know it's really nothing but like a little firecracker or so in there. You don't really get like big stuff like that goes boom anymore. But let's see what the Jumbo M5000 can do. Yeah, we'll see. Got this at Keystone the other day. Alright, let's fire the little thing up. See what it does. Okay, I guess that's about what I expected. Bunch of little firecrackers. This time we're going to chase the ace, the smaller one from Keystone. So yeah, let's light her up. Okay. Guess that's it. It's kind of hard to know with these little guys. Seems like there should be more in there. Nope. That's it. Okay, here's a couple of smaller ones we got from Keystone. We'll do two at a time. Wow, those are pretty good. For small ones, yeah. Okay, I got a couple more like little smaller ones we'll fire up here if I can figure out where the there it is. The fuse is. Sweet. Okay, next up we have the behemoth. Here we go. I like it. Love that. Nice. Very nice.